The bloodthirsty warrior appears to be ruthless, but real ruthlessness, the complete coldness of objectivity, to see oneself in the cutting assessment of the real situation, is true ruthlessness. How is it that so many singers could not tell that they were not good singers on these shows like American Idol? Or the entrepreneurs that wasted so much money and leveraged their house and all their assets to invest in some ridiculous product that they are sure is going to change the world when it obviously will not? Or how about the relationships on the shows like Jerry Springer or other reality shows where it is so obvious that this relationship is going to explode or crumble? Why is it so hard to see ourselves when we are emotional about anything that is related to us? This is where the art of war begins, because without objectivity, how will you be able to make a sound strategy? How will you be able to see the battleground realistically? The battleground doesn't have to be a bad place. Nevertheless, it is somewhere where you interact with people or things that could have an impact on you or you them. This is still considered the battlefield. Do you take too much risk? Not enough risk? These are questions of courage, of promptness. Mastering the art of war says, if you do not persist in it for long in an affair, there will be a little criticism, but the end is auspicious. The art of war says, I have seen military operations that were clumsy and swift, but I have never seen one that was skillful that lasted a long time. And this is because the opponent will see your form. If you continue too long, you will lose your edge. You will blunt your edge, and the opponent will rise. Therefore, strive to be objective. Being objective is a tactic. The way you use it is your strategy. There are many resources to learn how to be objective. There is only one to learn strategy, and that's The Art of War by Sun Tzu.